Hey friends, I'm going to speak with you in this video about what you should do if you're here on a visitor's visa and you cannot return home because of the coronavirus. And then also for those of you who came in under the Visa Waiver Program, maybe perhaps from Europe, what should you do if you can't go back home at this time? Stay with me and I'm going to tell you about the latest updates. Friends, thanks so much for watching this video. I so appreciate every one of you. Thank you for being part of this community. If you have not yet subscribed to McBean Immigration TV, go ahead and do so now. Hit the notification bell and then jump on over to Instagram at McBean Immigration Law and then also Facebook at Smart Immigration Academy, and just follow the work that I'm doing daily. I drop tips on immigration and what's going on, and you don't want to miss my social media. Now, in this video, I want to talk about coronavirus issues because you may be here or your relative is here and they can't go back home, right? They can't go back home because of the virus and because of the travel restriction that's related to coronavirus. So what should you do? Well, real quickly, the US government sent an email just a few days ago addressing this very topic. And in the email, it's actually a really long, awful email, but I'm just going to get right to the point of it. In the email, it says that if a person is here on a visitor's visa and they want to extend their stay, obviously, they can do so by filing the I-539, which is the application to change your status or extend your stay here. But you must timely file that application, meaning that you should generally file that application before your period of stay here expires. But what happens if you apply late? Late in the sense that you've overstayed and you have not yet applied to extend your stay here. Well, the government says that they will use their discretion and they will consider your late application. They will give you some flexibility under this coronavirus environment. And it's all under this special situations policy that they have that allows you to explain to them the reason why you're late, the reason why you did not file before your period of authorized stay ended. And so that's really the gist of this. You can file the I-539, and if you're filing that late, explain to them that your late filing is due to the coronavirus crisis and you cannot go home, you cannot travel because of the travel restrictions and also because of the way that the virus is progressing in your country, right? Or if you're sick, if you have tested positive for the virus and you could not have filed before your authorized stay ended, then you have to explain that as well and provide evidence of, doctor's letters, or if you went to the ER, anything like that, provide medical records related to that as well. And then certainly other evidence that you can supply to them, that you could give to the government, I would say maybe some reports related to the coronavirus, some travel restrictions, maybe some travel restrictions from the country that you need to go back home to, right? State Department reports or updates, travel advisories, those kinds of documents I would say you should include in your I-539 filing. And you could just do this, you could do the filing actually online. What about if you came in from Europe under the Visa Waiver Program, meaning you didn't have to apply for a visa, you just came here? And so the email addresses those of you in that category as well. And it says that ordinarily you're not able to extend your stay here. You're not able to extend your stay and you're not able to change your status. However, under the current situation that we're under now with respect to this emergency, the government knows that you cannot go back home to your European country or wherever you're from. They know that you cannot go back. So they're saying in this email that they will use their discretion and they will grant you more time. It says here, USCIS in its discretion may grant a period of satisfactory departure for up to 30 days. For those entrants who were already granted 30 days departure and you're not able to leave within that 30 days, then it says that you may get another 30-day period of satisfactory departure. To request this satisfactory departure, just go to USCIS's website, the contact center. And I'm going to link to the contact center in this video. Click on that link and it'll tell you how you can contact USCIS to request the satisfactory departure. That's what they call it, satisfactory departure. So in summary, USCIS is making some provision here, flexibility for those of you who are here on a visa and you did not file your I-539 before your period of authorized stay expired. And so it says that they say that you could apply, you could still apply, but you've got to explain under special situations policy why you could not apply within the time that you were supposed to apply. And for the visa people, visa waiver people, I should say, you have to request a satisfactory departure from USCIS. So that's the update. I'm going to stay on coronavirus for a while because there's a lot of updates and you guys need to know what's going on. Thank you so much for watching this video and other videos that I put out there. And I hope you found this helpful. And friends, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.